Then he got himself a nice, nice sturgeon here. He got himself a nice one.
That's fine.
I still got one on the line.
Alright. Measure.
I still got one on the line. Oh shit! Oh baby!
I know.
Stringer. Okay.
Let's measure. Where's the tape measure?
Put him up here.
I'll put the stuff on. It's okay, you lose a fish. I don't want to mess up your phone. That's fine.
Nice. He's a good boy. He's a good boy. Woo. His eyes going in the dark. Oh, he's gonna give you a kiss. He's gonna give you a kiss. This boy, 45 incher.
You never took a hook. No.
Boy, 45 incher. That's a good catch, Randy.
No.
That's a good catch.
This is big.
Oh, here's mine. Here's mine.
Dude, this is just
Woo.
big.
Okay, Randy, we're gonna swap.
This is Fuji's.
Come on. 42. Yeah, look at
Yep. We get a good.
Oh, look at that bad boy. Look at that bad boy. There's a good one out here, folks. Look at that bad boy.
Fuji.
Nice sturgeon right here, 42 inches.
2 in a row.
Look at 3.
Yeah, it would have been 3.
Alright.
Here it goes.
There you go.